This is Tony Jones, y'all, and I'm going to show you a quick repair on the Chevrolet 2.4 that gives you reduced engine power, no acceleration, and misfire. These are the three parts: throttle body, intake cam solenoid, and exhaust camshaft solenoid. Alright, these two parts right here are located underneath of here. This part is located underneath of here. To get to it, flathead screwdriver, loosen, slide back. This right here, pop it off. This right here, there's a band right here. Loosen that, pop this up. This little cover, take the oil cap off, pop that off. It literally pops right back on. Camshaft solenoids are underneath of this right here. There are two of them, 1 and 2. There are plugs on the top that are secured in place with little plastic inserts. Pop them out with needle noses. Squeeze the top of the plug, lift them out. Change them one at a time, observing which plug matches which solenoid so that you won't confuse them. After you put them in place, you plug it up, go to your throttle body. 4 10mm bolts that take them out, all right? After you unbolt that, take the old one out, put the new one in. The plug is on the side. You basically squeeze the plug and slide it off. Installation is reversive removal. After you got all of that done and squared away, put the top back on, put this back on, tighten this down, tighten the one down on the side here, plug this back up, start the car up, and it'll purr like a kitten. All right? Let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes. Reset the engine light afterwards, give it time to warm up, and then you should be good to go. This is Tony Jones, and I'm out.